Hey garden growers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to get the beanstalk and grow a garden fast and easy, whether you are just starting out or grinding for those rare plants. This method will have your garden climbing sky high in no time. Step 1. Understand the beanstalk. What is the beanstalk? It's one of the rare vertical growing plants that help expand your garden's height potential. But more than that, it's key for unlocking new items and garden tiers. So if you are serious about progression, you will definitely want one. Step 2. Prepare your garden. Before you hunt it down, make sure your garden is prepped. That means upgrade your soil at least to tier 2, unlock compost or fertilizer boosts. They speed up rare plant drops. Have at least 5 seed slots open. The more you plant, the better your chances. Step 3. Best method to get it. Okay, here's the trick to get the beanstalk fast. You can get it through method 1, which is mystery seeds. These are your best bet. Buy them from the in-game shop or win them through garden challenges. They have a decent drop rate for rares, including the beanstalk. Bonus step, use growth boosters before planting mystery seeds. This improves your odds of rare sprouts. And yes, the beanstalk is in that rare tier. Need more seeds? Do the quick garden quests. They usually take less than 2 minutes and reward you with seeds and coins. Secret tip: time your plants. Plant mystery seeds during special in-game events or morning hours, in-game clock. That is when the rare drop rate increases slightly. Combine this with fertilizer and a clean garden, and you boost your beanstalk odds by a lot. Also, do not forget to clear weeds. They lower your rare chance. And that is it. Use Mr. Seeds, boost your soil, time your planting, and keep that garden tidy. If you follow this strategy, you will be looking at a towering beanstalk in no time. And if this video helped you out, smash the like button, hit the subscribe for more Grow a Garden tips, and leave us a comment down below. And tell me if you have unlocked the beanstalk yet, or if you want help with other rare plants. And that's all for this video, and see you in a new tutorial.